Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here's the problem. Graph the following system of equations and determine the number of solutions. Explain whether the system has no solution, one solution, or infinitely many solutions. Equation 1, 3x minus 2y equals 8. Equation 2, 6x minus 4y equals 20. Now, let us work through the solutions step by step. Let's start by solving both equations for y to get slope-intercept form. Equation 1 gives us y equals 3/2 x minus 4. Equation 2 simplifies to y equals 3/2 x minus 5. Comparing the two equations, both lines have the same slope of 3/2, but different y-intercepts, -4 and -5. When two lines have the same slope but different intercepts, they are parallel and will never cross. Looking at the graph, we can see both lines running parallel to each other. They have the same steepness, but are shifted apart vertically. The first line crosses the y-axis at -4, and the second crosses at -5. They never meet anywhere on the coordinate plane. We can double-check this algebraically. Multiplying the first equation by 2 gives 6x minus 4y equals 16, but the second equation says 6x minus 4y equals 20. Subtracting them gives 0 equals -4, which is never true. This contradiction confirms there is no solution. In conclusion, this system has no solution. The two lines are parallel. They have the same slope, but different y-intercepts, so they never meet. A system like this is called inconsistent, meaning no point exists that satisfies both equations at the same time. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.